In this video, I'm going to show you how to highlight in Google Playbooks. Start by opening your Google Playbooks app and going into your library. Select the book in which you want to highlight text. Navigate to the page where the text is located. To highlight, tap and hold at the start of the text. The first word will become selected, and then you can drag the handles to include more words, lines, or even an entire paragraph. Once you've selected the section, a menu will appear with different highlight colors. Choose your preferred color, and the text will be highlighted. You can repeat this process for any other text throughout the book. Simply hold, drag, and select the color you want. If at any point you want to remove a highlight, tap once on the highlighted text, and the same menu will appear again. This time, select the Delete option. The highlight will be removed, and the text will return to normal. This is a simple and effective way to mark important passages and return to them easily later. And this is how you can highlight in Google Play Books.